Hi friends, it's Ashley, and today we're doing an unboxing video of a Lamon humidifier from our friends at Waterfirst brand. I have the box here. It is huge. Let's get into it. I've got my trusty little box cutter. Look at this. The blade is that small. It's from Slice. I got this at Joann's. I'm sure they have them anywhere else, probably on the Slice website. But really quick, easy to unbox stuff. Okay, here's what we're working with. These, here are the contents. They packaged it up really nice. No dings, no bangs, no boom booms. She's gorgeous. The Lamon humidifier. It's a 2-in-1 humidifier, and it has the filter with it. So let me go ahead. We're going to clear this box real quick out the way. It has this 360-degree range on it. Ooh, that was an interesting box. That came apart really quick. Okay, here's the manual. We're going to read this off camera. It's all folded up, all protected. You got to do it from the bottom up. I guess it doesn't matter. These are scissors. Okay, here we go. Get this cut. All right, got that. So it says, note, please turn off the humidifier and pour water from the top inner ring. Those are the directions here, that red writing. So we're gonna make sure it's off. There's like an on and off switch. We're gonna make sure it's off. And maybe, I feel like we're gonna have to open this and that's where the water goes. Oh, that looks like the filter. We'll see. Getting too excited. Okay, let's get all this tape and stuff off. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna take this out. I see this is the filter. Is there another piece of tape? Thought we got all the tape. I didn't feel any. Okay. One piece, two pieces. Out the way. We're going to make sure we pour water from the ring. How do you take this tape off? The inner ring area. Doesn't this come off? Or do you keep this on? Because this seems like it's in the way of the fan. Okay, we took this piece off. Here's our filter. Get all this plastic out. Look at that. What do these beads and things do? We're going to have to read and come right back. So I believe we have read the instructions to the best of our ability. And if I am not mistaken, so you clean out the base, the Lamon base, and you can, obviously assemble everything back. This is your filter, and you put your cap on the top. I don't know if it clicks. There's the click. You can actually add it through the fan. I don't know why I would do that. Or no, you take the cover off. You can add it just below. So there's two ways to add water. You see the directions right here. You can do it with the cover on, but I'm going to take the cover off and do it. Is there a fill line? I did not see a fill line. We're going to add a little bit and see how it reacts. I don't know how much is enough. Okay, we added that. Also, there was a cool thing, because most of the humidifiers, they don't have like essential oils, or they say you should not add essential oils, but there's like that little felt thing, and you can add a few drops to it, and it'll diffuse into the air. So you got like a little diffuser if you don't already have one of those. So I'm not going to do that at this moment, at this point. Let me just see. I'm going to add maybe I should just add the rest of the water because you can run this for a while. So I'll show y'all in a second. Because this isn't a very big, this picture doesn't hold a whole lot. It's a cute little picture. I'm going to put that there. All right, we're going to find, okay, this is where you plug it in. We're going to find an outlet. Right? It's got a remote. What is this now? Okay, where does this go? I think this goes at the bottom to filter it. I think that's locked into place. Got some beads in there. Y'all can see all of that going on. That little ring I added. There's the water. It's not too much. All right. This is all trial and error. First use here. You got your remote. We're not going to do anything with that yet. Let's plug it in. And I'll be right back. We're going to plug it in. All right. I was messing around with it a little bit. We plugged it in. It's a cute little touch screen, but I'm going to try it on the remote here. So let's see. So your remote has the same settings as on the Lamon humidifier. There's the power setting, there's a fan speed, there's a timer, and there's a humidity setting on it. And you can sound like a robot because it has like a really nice fan. It's super quiet too. But yeah, you can change the fan speed. Listen right here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I think there's like 5 settings that the fan kept going up to. We're going to keep it low today. Yeah, so power, the fan setting. Here's a timer. I think you can do like an hour timer, then it'll shut off. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. I think it goes up to 12 hours. My bad. We don't want a timer. Take the timer off. No timer. Okay. Humidity. It's not too humid out, so we're just going to keep it normal here. But what I really like about this humidifier at the very top, like I was sharing, this is the on and off to twist. It's not the on and off for the machine. I want to clarify that. But at the top, there's that little felt pocket where you can add your own essential oils to it. So you can have your house smelling good and filtering all that nasty dust and stuff. So like what I was saying earlier, this filter is really going to help my family because our downstairs neighbors, they have a lot of dogs and all the fuzz and fur get kicked up and we're always like sneezing and stuff like that. So this humidifier is a lifesaver. It's going to really help my family out. So I really want to thank Waterfirst brand for hooking us up with this humidifier. And if you want to get one of your own, there's a link in my description with a discount code. So it's on Amazon. It came super quick, and for the most part, the setup was super easy too, so you can just start using this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more videos like this, if you want to see me do more reviews, more yoga content, more crafting content, like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!